Hey guys, what's up? It is Denver, the YouTuber, and Ashlyn Games. We're gonna be playing with her.
Make sure you check out my channel, Ashlyn Games on YouTube.
Yeah.
Pretty simple. Can't really see him. I can't see.
Silly Tights adoption.
Where are you gonna work?
We could work at an adoption place. Actually, you want to be a police? You want to be a police?
No, I'm working at Cheap and Quick.
Why?
It's easy. Plus, it's close to the house, kind of ish. I have no shirt on.
Ooh, let me see.
Oh, Denver! I had no shirt on.
Oh, now you no, you do.
I do now. Lag.
Lager. Liquor lager.
Let's go. Alright.
What?
Excuse me, sir. Can I get something to eat?
Where the heck are you?
Oh, I didn't know you could buy stuff from here.
From where?
You could buy stuff from this shop.
What shop? Jesus!
Wait, dude, wait.
Oh. Oh, right there.
Alright, can we be normal this time instead of bringing that whole big bus and crap?
Let me just get my bus out.
Can we for real, though?
Yeah.
Alright, come on, get in my car.
I just ran over a girl, but so.
Come get in my car.
Just
I have a nice
saying.
car. I have a nice car. Come get in it. But, come on. I need to get gas. Hurry.
You
Dude, I'm over
hurry.
here. Where did you go? Get in the car. Lag. Denver, for real. Get in my car. It's not fun if you're just like this.
I'm going on my bus. I
Denver.
love my bus.
Please, it's really boring when you're like that.
How? I like my bus. I'm not gonna go. Ah! I don't want to
Do
go.
you not hear me beeping at you?
Quit. You don't belong in this family. Well, you do, but just follow me, okay, baby?
No. I need to get gas. Hurry up. I'm not following a guy who has a bus, so I'm just gonna have a different house with someone else.
Excuse me.
I need to get gas.
I will run you over, but I won't. Okay.
Wait, I'm getting gas. Chill.
Yeah, I want to come in your car. Okay.
Alright, come on.
Or I can spawn my own car.
No, I want you to be in my car. Hurry up.
Oh no! I'm gonna fall! I'm gonna fall! Help! Help! Help!
Let me go pay the gas.
Mayday! Mayday! I'm gonna fall!
Wait, I need to go pay for some gas.
Dang, that was
Here's
close.
like $50, thanks.
Dang, oh, that was close. Look at my bus.
Oh my god.
That was close. I jumped out of the car.
Get in, I'm filling up.
And let me put something in the trunk, which I don't have it right
Right
now.
there.
So,
Come on.
just stay right there, okay?
No, stop, get in.
I need to get some. Oh, wait, no. I need to put something in there. Grocery bags there.
No, just, we can do that later. Get
I'll
in.
put the grocery
3,
bags
2, 1. That's what I thought.
Let's go.
I'm actually a good driver. I don't crash.
Guys, she says she's a good driver.
Better than you though.
I just run over kids. It's not a big thing. Go!
See how I turn on my turning signals?
I don't give a crap. I don't put on my turning signals.
Well, you should. You could kill someone if you don't.
I don't care. I'll kill everyone. Where's the house?
Oh my gosh, there's a freaking thing right there in the middle of
Where's
the
the
freaking
house? Where's the house?
road. You have to buy one.
I'll buy it.
I'll buy it.
Okay.
Alright, this time we're gonna live somewhere else.
Yeah.
So we're still gonna turn. Whoops.
Wow, you're a good driver, aren't you?
Better than you. At least I didn't almost knock the car off.
I want a Jeep, actually. Dang, woman!
I duped him. Did you see the man coming straight for me?
Dang!
I duped him.
You're stupid. You just flipped over his car. Guys, let me know in the comments if you freaking saw that. Guy, bro! nice. Guys, I'm back.
I changed the color of the car because it looked freaking nasty. He went back to show me the footage of that poor Jeep. I'm sorry, dude, if you're watching this. Why would this dude be watching this?
Well, he could.
Wait,
Be watching my videos. Cause you freaking run over him. Well, not really run over.
Oh, whoops, I didn't clean the house yet.
You little. Are we roommates? Are we roommates?
Give me this house. What the frick?
Are we? Probably
Do you
someone
see how
has it.
hard I'm trying?
Probably someone has it. Or you don't have enough money.
Nope, I got it.
Okay, good. I was about to say.
What are you doing?
I'm in the house.
Park in the car. I'm just gonna walk over.
Oh, okay.
Do you want to change the color of the house?
Yeah. Can I change it?
No.
Cause you're mean. I don't feel so
Why would
good.
someone want a pink house?
I don't really feel so good, okay? Okay?
Sure.
I don't feel good. Do you think I feel good?
I don't know. I can feel it. That's disgusting. Go to the hospital or something. Gosh. I'm not taking you there.
I'm just laying on the ground and I just puked.
I'm trying to cover it up.
I'm back! Oh, I
Oh,
just
that
like
was-
sniffed.
That was weird.
Okay, so.
You just like plopped up from the ground. Jesus. Okay, I colored the house. It's kind of
Hey, get back! You're almost kissing you! No! You little. I think you're so slick.
Where are you going? You know the door is open.
Really?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah. I'm gonna paint it in here. It's gonna be white. Oh no, thank you.
No, it's not.
When you walk in, it's gonna be blue. No.
It's not unlocked.
Oh yeah, that's because.
Now it's unlocked.
Wait, the merge-
Jesus, woman, I want it blue. Like my hair.
When you first walk in, Zach.
I'm gonna go get a car. I'm gonna go buy a car.
Blue.
I'm gonna buy a car.
What is this? Is this a bedroom? Then it's red.
I'm gonna remove my. Which one do you think I should remove? My burrito truck or my bus? Burrito truck? Both?
This is good.
Sell car. Sell vehicle.
Good.
Yeah, I'm gonna buy normals.
Wanna buy a normal car?
Yeah.
Make sure it's different from mine.
How much money do I have, guys?
I'm
Oh God, I
decorating
have
the house.
$7,000. $7,000.
I'm decorating the house. I have two freaking of these things. Microwaves.
Dude.
House is almost decorated. Why do you need oh, hi.
What?
I was supposed to say, why do you need so many freaking cars?
Shh, guys. Babe, look outside.
Really, you got a limousine?
Yes.
Don't get a limousine.
I already bought it.
Well, I'm not riding in it.
You're a princess. I would ride in this freaking thing. Well, I'm gonna go to work. Do you want to come?
No,
Come here!
I don't want to ride in that.
Fine, do you want me to get my normal car out?
Okay.
Okay, do you want to go to work?
I have to go shopping. I don't have work today. But I decorated. See, look, here's the kids' room. And here's the bathroom. Then here's an empty room that goes.
Oh, whoops.
Oh, here's the hallway. And the garage. I'm driving my car. You wanna come, or do you wanna stay?
I swear to God, if he or she runs over my car. Here's my normal car. It's not bad.
I locked the doors. Actually, no, I'm not.
Here's my normal car. You drive. You want to drive?
I can't see a normal car. My
Right
car
here.
is better.
Right here.
Move!
Told you.
I'm gonna go shopping.
Do you think I should sell this car and get a Jeep?
Sure.
I want a Jeep.
Make sure you use turning signals and stuff.
Woo! Wait.
Dang! Almost rammed into me.
I'm just crashing back here. I'm coming no worries. I'm okay. I'm okay. False alarm. Swear to God, if I crash. Gosh, I thought it was a tiny rock. Pretty much is a wrong. It's a long.
Actually, no, I don't do
Jeez. My God! Where the heck are you? At work?
that. No.
Where the heck are you?
I'm going to the gas station. So that,
Ours?
yeah. So I can buy food there.
I'm at the gas station.
I'm almost there. I took a wrong turn. I was gonna go to the grocery store, but now I'm there.
There, perfect. That's perfect. I'm waiting for you. I parked my car.
Park it correctly.
I did.
And you turned in the wrong area.
I can't. Wait. I might be able to. I might. I got some money. Got it. Oh, and guys, if we don't finish this video in time, there's gonna be a part 2 and 3. So, or 4, I don't know. It's planned, so. Yeah, we're gonna see you in the next video, but we're not like leaving right now. We're gonna leave later. In another minute.
You have 10 seconds.
In 10 seconds, so we're gonna leave.